More than one cycle of the sine and cosine waves are shown. 3 of the statements are true, 1 is false. Identify the false statement. Cosine of pi over 3, so that's this red line here is cosine, so pi over 3 is this point, is less than sine of pi over 3. And look, sine's up here, therefore sine of pi over 3 is a larger number than cosine of pi over 3. This is true. Cosine of 5 pi over 3, so that's this point here, equals sine of pi over 6. So where's pi over 6? Well, this is pi over 3. If we divide pi over 3 by 2, we get pi over 6. So here's pi over 6. Sine of pi over 6 is right here at 1/2. And look, 5 pi over 3 has a cosine of 1/2. So this is true. We can eliminate that one. Cosine of 3 pi over 2. So 3 pi over 2 isn't marked here. 3/2 pi, so that's 1.5 pi. So we have 1 pi here, 2 pi's here, therefore this middle point is going to be 3 pi over 2. So that's 0. 0 is less than sine of 7 pi over 6. So 7 pi over 6 is a little bit more than 6 pi over 6, which is just pi. Therefore, it's going to be around here somewhere. And as you can see, this is a negative number, and cosine 3 pi over 2 is 0. Therefore, this is false. 0 is going to be larger than a negative number, which is going to be around here somewhere. So this is the answer. Finally, we have sine squared of pi over 5 plus cosine squared of pi over 5 equals 1. This is just the Pythagorean identity. It holds true for any value on the unit circle. Therefore, this is true. The answer is C.